can't call it a pre-flight where it's not a plane. We could, I suppose. Pre-flight.
Go on, do the whole introduction.
Are we doing the pre-flight? We're heading out to the power tour in the morning. 8 o'clock is our estimated departure time. And we're doing a once-over on the truck just to see what we can see, make sure we don't run into many major issues. Already came up with the, found a leak out of the pinion, the rear end. We're gonna take a look at replacing that seal coming down road here. So it's probably a good find. You never know what would have happened if you're on the side of the road and 100 miles from nowhere and your rear end goes out. Not good. How do I turn the camera around? Just do that?
That's exactly how you turn the camera around, by turning it around, yes.
Is this how you turn the camera around? There's no button?
You can turn it around if you flip it over top too, but then it'll be upside down.
How do I pause it?
And depending on how you start the video, if you have the camera sideways and you start the video, it's going to do it in portrait mode.
How do I pause it then when I'm done?
Hit the button on top.
Okay. Boy. We're going to go through the engine compartment right now and the underneath of the front end, see if we see anything glaring that could run us into trouble down the road. But I got to tell you what, man, this Coyote engine is purring like a baby. I like the way the belts, purring like a kitten. I like the way the belts are running on the pulleys. They look nice and centered. Everything seems to be looking pretty good, but we got time, so we'll give her the once over. Here we go. We're gonna try to go down here onto this blanket and oh, jeez! And that's how I get down. Sometimes you just take a break. You know, it helps a lot when you're old and you're rolling around underneath the car like this. Just make noises like every time you move. It just helps you move easier. Everything underneath here. Let me see if I can do this. Kind of dark, but and then there's the flashlight. Of course, it's got to be out of arm's length, so I gotta I'll try to get that. Anyways, everything under here looks pretty good. I don't see any issues whatsoever. A lot of care given into getting all these wires and hoses and clamped up because vibration could be a killer on those things. So far, down the left side of the truck, I don't know what I just did there. The left side of the truck, everything looks well. It seems I've got a pillow now. But I'm telling you what, looking around underneath here, it shows pride of build. Really, everything under here looks just super fantastic, I'm telling you. It's one clean machine. All right, here's the deal. Nope, it's good now, Dave. All right, here's the deal. I know you're wondering, how the hell does he get up? It's not easy. See, now I got this damn thing here to help me with my knees. And it sure does make a great pillow. But don't tell Dave, okay, because...
Did you shine a light on all my
he just heard me. Well, one thing we did find is that the pinion seal is leaking down there, and probably not a big deal, but you run out of oil in there and man, you could be 100 miles from nowhere. We got nothing better to do today, so out she'll come. Summer of '69. All right, so we got the car backed in, or the truck backed into the garage. And we're going to tackle the pinion seal. And while Dave is tackling that,
can you hand me one of those magnetic trays?
Put this up on the blocks. And while Dave is tackling that, I don't know, I'm just not comfortable with all this stuff over here, electrical being out there like that. So I'm going to build a little tent for it, see if I can. And when it's sitting outside at night and it's raining, perhaps we'll be able to save some issues. Can you really save an issue? All right, we're back live again. David's got that rear seal. I think a pinion seal. Made a couple of covers for the battery and the other side over there. And we've done a once around, make sure no tools are left back here. So I'm thinking we should be ready to pull her out and give her a good leak check.
Hey, go on that side.
And hopefully we don't have any. Okay, truck is down. Got to take it for a ride to check the pinion, but doesn't look like it's leaked. We checked under the hood, all the fluids are ready to go. I think we're pretty much ready to start packing this stuff in the back, make decisions of what tools and stuff are going to go. We got sidewind, took us a little longer than we expected because we had to change that pinion, but look at them seats, huh? She's a looking good. We're getting ready. And then we pack her up and
so
we
I
head
got
on out.
I got a ghost cam tune just for fun, and I'm really never going to use it, but it's loading right now, and I'm going to get the old man's reaction to that thing, see what he thinks about it. Did I send you a video of that?
I hope I like that kind of music. I've never heard of Ghost Town, but
Ghost cam tune.
so I hope it's a good band. Bye.
Recording, see the numbers there, and now the videos, this is the top still.
Okay, and the camera is the right way. What's that light down there underneath your dash?
It's a light for when you open the door.
Louder, isn't it?
Hold on, no.
That's some serious camp stuff there.
That's what a truck like this is supposed to sound like.
Wow.
But it's all fake. It's got camp phasers on there, so they just mess with the phasers below 1,000 RPM to give it that old school sound.
Wow. Can you, but it doesn't mess with the miles per gallon or anything like that? Or the
At over 1,000 RPMs, it drives like normal. So when you're idling, it does this, but you get that cam low kind of stutter, you know, at idle.
Yeah.
So it
Sounds like it's loading up and unloading, and
it's
yeah.
not the best for drivability, but some people run it constantly.
It sounds cool.
Yeah,
Well, you're driving up to a venue.
yeah, pulling into a show or something. But
How long did it take to change it?
5 minutes.
Why don't you just put it normal, and then when we get to each town, and do that before we leave for the road again?
Because it takes 5 minutes into town and 5 minutes again out.
I don't know.
I'm not wasting the time doing it. If it was a flip of a switch, it'd be cool, but
It's different.
it sounds like this truck should sound.
Always sounds like it's going to die. If I was driving it, I'd continue to wrap the throttle just to keep the idles upright. Just to keep the... Okay. Here we are.
We put $1 million in one of these chugs.
We got her packed up, and we're about 5 minutes away from heading south. North, not south. Heading north through Atlanta. Up to Bowling Green is our first stop on the Hot Rod Power Tour 2024. Got everything packed. Tools, clothes, water, snacks, all sorts of goodies that we need. And we're ready. It's my son David. Turn around and say hello, Dave. Okay, and he built this truck. Really the only thing stock left on this thing is the body. That's it. The frame is all custom made. Coyote engine in there. New wheels. And we are ready to go. Next stop, see ya, Chattanooga.
There you go. Yeah, stretch it out. Get ready to go.
We're live?
Yeah, we're live. Oh, wait a minute. We need the microphone this way. Wait a minute. How do I?
All right. So we did our rundown yesterday. Everything front to back looks pretty good.
Gotta get that rundown.
David
Gotta give me
did
that
the,
rundown by noon.
Pinion seal last night, and no leaks. I checked this morning, got up early, and I think we're ready to go. It's gonna be a great trip.
All right.
I'm
What are you
really
guys
looking forward to it.
Yeah, what are you guys looking forward to the most on the trip?
Making sure that that pinion seal doesn't give up before Chattanooga.
Hanging out with Dave for a week.
No.
How lucky am I? Let's do it.
It's lucky now, but at the end of the week, can't wait to get home.
Home is always good.
Guess I'll tell you the numbers. 1345, a reaction time of 0.418, 2 3560 foot, 8.79 in the eighth, 1345 at 103.